Hey guys, welcome to our latest project. I can't wait to show you what we've got going on, so come on inside. So, welcome to the brand new headquarters of all things David Peck. As you can see, we're gonna keep everything because it's totally not my style. Anyway, we are getting rid of everything and this is going to be our brand new headquarters and we can't wait to show you what we're going to do and take you along for the ride. So right now I'm going to explain to you what we're going to do and then give you a vision of what's going to happen. So basically everything you see is going away. We're raising the ceilings, we're taking all these drop ceilings away, we're taking these big cumbersome walls and patch straps out and all of it's going to be open. This is going to be inspired by sort of a French apartment / art gallery. This whole room is going to be white and all the clothes and art and everything that fill it will have color. Back here, we will have fitting rooms and then here we will have a wall, but in this wall we will have a huge window that looks back into our production. So back here, you'll be able to see our seamstresses working, our pattern makers working. All of this is going away. We're getting rid of these old fitting rooms. We're getting rid of this old bathroom. We're knocking down this wall. Back here, even though it looks a little dark and scary now, all of this will get opened up. We're gonna have our thread wall. It'll be like a work of art. We have so many cool ideas. It has this old kind of like kitchenette area. Everything's going to open up and this will be our production area. Then we come back over here, what looks like a solid wall up here is actually going to open up. We're going to have a huge 12-foot floor-to-ceiling opening, which will be the entrance to our brand new bridal suite. Then I'm going to take you next door and show you, since I can't walk through walls yet, I'm going to show you our new bridal suite. So in the front here, we have 50 feet of windows, so you can't miss us with a big sign up top. Welcome to the bridal suite. So as you can see, this used to be a frame shop. I gotta figure out something to do with these frames because I think they're super cool. Maybe some sort of art installation. They're also on these kind of cool tracks. We might figure out how to do something with that. But this whole bump out is going away and will be the entrance to our regular ready-to-wear studio. But this room will be our bridal salon. I'm imagining really pretty wallpaper, soft colors, but all the clothes in this room will be white. So we're opening up these bays. These will be where all the gowns are stored. We'll have our design consultations in here. We'll have our three-way mirror for fittings. And then back here will be the entrance to production. We'll have some offices along here. This whole area will open up into production, so it will be one massive space. And then on our back wall, we're actually closing up this door and going to put a kitchenette here so that we can have parties and events and staff can have lunch, and we'll also have a restroom as well. So I'm so excited for you guys to see this renovation, this retail reno, and we're gonna take you along on the ride.